VOC College of Education. I wholeheartedly welcome all of you. Actually, the total registration for this program is more than 1,344, but you are shortlisted. The registration has been shortlisted as 100 plus 100. So, and you are the persons, and you are coming for attending this session, and really it will be very useful for you, and please enjoy this session. Now, I request Dr. Sundar to handle this session. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your welcome speech, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for the opportunity also. Thank you. Let me start the session. Can you all see my screen? Hello?
Not able to see. Not able to see. Yeah, just now.
Please don't all the other participants don't please share your screen.
Ma'am, I couldn't.
Okay, sir. We are able to see.
Yeah, okay, fine, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, all the participants. Good afternoon. Thanks for your active participation. And I'm going to show you the demonstration about creating a website using Google Sites. You all might have heard about Google Sites. So that is what we are going to demonstrate today. The Google site, we can say it is open. It is not an open source because the Google, they don't use the tool. So it means we can say it as an open tool. So that is what we are going to see. And I'm not going to give any presentation. It is very simple. I'm going to show you now what are the things that we are going to cover on this webinar. So first thing, I just want to let you know that you don't need any IT skills. Yes, you don't need to know any HTML code or any IT skills. You need only interest to learn new skills or new to be done, new things to be adopted. Fine. For creating a website, we are supposed to add a site name, a logo, footer, and image, video, hyperlinks. These are all the main things will be covered in the home page. That is what we are going to do today. And the second thing is navigation. You know the navigation bar means hyperlink, whatever the home, about us, contact information, whatever. The navigation bar. The other thing is collapsible text. I will show you what is collapsible text, and the divider. Divider being used for the dividing the text options. If you have multiple pages, or in the same page you have multiple content that you want to give a divider, that you can. And the last one is map. You can even share the map for the contact detail purpose. The last one is image slideshow. Image slideshow means if you have more than n number of photos that you can rotate, the image will be rotated, it will be sliding automatically on your website. So this is what we are going to see. And then finally, we are going to see the additional pages. After the home page design, you'll be covered all the options that we are going to use. Then the same options, you are going to use it even for the additional pages. Now we are going to see only for the 5 pages of designing a website. Why it is 5 pages? Just for the demonstration purpose, but there is no limitation. You can the other setting options are being available. This is what. So let me go to the
All the participants
demonstration directly.
All the participants, please.
Can you see my screen, the website screens?
No, sir. So we can't see the user.
We can see, sir.
Yeah. You can see 2-3 website pages.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can see, sir. Yes, we can see.
Yeah, okay, fine. Before go to the session, I just want to show you the website that we have recently created by using Google Sites. So this is my personal website that I have designed for the demonstration purpose. So you can see the personal website, how it looks. You can add your photo, you can add your name and your profile, your qualification, and whatever the video, photos that you want to share, you can, and your publications, and then event whatever that you have conducted. See so many events, and the membership, or even if you have any awards. I'm not having any huge membership on awards, but if you guys have, you can just add a number of things. Then the contact details with the map. So these are all the things, the personal website. This is I have created for the my library. It is for office use. I have given a hyperlinks for the online
Excuse me,
database.
sir.
Yeah,
Sir, please
please.
excuse me. Sir, Anand Babu, sir, please, sir. உங்க மைக் கொஞ்சம் மியூட் பண்ணுங்க, sir, please. Anand Babu, sir.
Okay, okay.
So all the
Thank you, sir.
all the participants, please mute your
Okay, thank you. Fine. So this is the website I created for the library with more hyperlinks. Like you can see it on the left hand side, online databases, Enlist, Delnet, other study materials, or the any other content. Even the photos I have given side, and many other pages. Let me scroll. Yeah, events and activities I have given. The slide photos will be rotating. This is called, see the photos, it is being rotated. This is called image slideshow or image carousel. So the whatever the image that you put, it will be rotating automatically. And there is no restrictions. You can even create for your own language. There is no language barrier or any type of font you can use. This is just for the demonstration we have created for one of our Tamil websites. So see, you can make it as much you want. The design, anything that you can. See, it looks nice. Fine. I'll close all these websites that we have recently created. Let me go to the session directly. There are two ways you can reach the websites, like through your Gmail account. The other one is just type sites.google.com. So this is the two options that you can reach the page. I will show you sites.google.com. You can use your login credential, which you have your Gmail account. I'm using my own Gmail account. I'm just using my username password.
screen.
See, once you logged.
Excuse me, please. Screen is visible to all.
No, ma'am. Ma'am cannot
No,
see.
no.
Sir, the screen is not visible, sir.
Okay, let me share.
Share your
We are not able to see the screen, sir.
now
Yes,
now
sir.
you can see. Now
Now
you
it is
can see.
visible, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Fine, now it is okay.
Yes, sir. Fine. Thank you very much.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, once you logged in, you'll be seeing this is your home page. Once logged in, this is the site, Google Sites. Directly you are being inside. There are many options. Already there are some templates are available. The prefixed template, like restaurant, portfolio, events. There are so many templates. If you click, it will be seeing for the educational purpose. If you want, you can use this template directly by clicking, and you can just directly edit. But I'm not going to show you this option. This is, you can explore it later. I'll go to directly the blank page. You click this blank page, the plus mark. If not, come down or left hand side, I mean the right hand side bottom, you will be seeing the other option, plus. Okay, just let me click on the blank page. Once you click the blank page, you will be reached this page. This is the home page for the websites, what you are going to create. So you will be seeing your page title or the enter the site name. Down you will be seeing the add footer. So this is your home page. There we are going to add many things.
Excuse me, sir.
You can add the
It's not
logo. Excuse me. Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir, you can.
No, sir. It is not working, sir.
So now,
Only a
Dhanavadi?
stationary still
Yes, sir,
displaying over there.
the screen is static.
sir,
Dhanavadi?
it is
The screen is not moving, sir. The same first page only we can see it.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. So this is the first page. I'm going to do it one by one.
So there is no progress in next pages.
Oh, okay. Let me check. Okay, this is your home page. I'm going to add the title page, like University College. If you are creating for your own, you can just give me, give your name.
Sundar sir, please share your screen, sir. This.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Let me.
So the image is completely stationary, sir.
Ma'am, now?
Now.
Yes, now we are able to see now, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Fine,
Okay.
thank you. So this is your home page. There is an option for creating your page title. I'm going to use it for the University College. And once you select the name, you can select, there are options, whether title, heading or subheading. If you make it subheading, heading, it will be little slow, small. If it is big, you want select as a title. You can make it as a bold. You can align anything. Wherever you want, you can align. If you are doing it for your personal, you can add your photos here. Just right click, add your image.
Mr. Manikandan, please mute your microphone, sir. Please, Manikandan.
See, this is what. If you are going for personal use, you can use your photo. If it is for the college purpose, you are going to add the logo. I'll just keep it as it is. Then you have to enter the site name. Site name also you have to give your name or the university name. Uni College. I'll just make this one, Uni College. Then I'm going to add the footer. Just click the footer. You can edit. Normally what they do, copyright. This is what they normally enter in the footer. If you want, you can make it anything. Make it bold. There is an alignment. You can make it center. That's it. So now you have your title page, footer, and if you want, you can add the logo. For example, directly you can click here, or you can go to the settings. Once you click, it will be automatically leading into the setting option. Go here, brand name. Whether upload or select. Upload means from your system, select means from the internet. I'll take it from my system. For the demo purpose, I will use our college logo. It is uploading. Yeah, it is uploaded. Now you can see it on the top, the college logo. So now you have the college logo, the college name, and the footer. Now we are going to add the text box. You just double click on any of the pages, you will be seeing this icon. 4 icon will be seeing. The first one is image, the next one is upload option, the other one is drive, the other one is embedded. So this is what the center one is, text box. I'm going to add the text box. Just click. Before doing all this, you have to have the content ready with you. So I have some content I prepared for my library that I'll be using it for the demo purpose. I'll just select some content. I'm going to add it here. So now I added the text box. Now, if you have any other details, you can add one more box. I will add the goal. If you want, you can make it bold, whatever that you want, you can do it. You can change, you can align center, or you can align left, anything that you want, you can do it. Okay, now I have two boxes just for the demo purpose. If you want, you can insert some image. There are two ways. You can add it from here, or you can go to insert. Here you will be seeing same option, 4 options: text box, image, drive, and embedded. Just click the image, just upload. This is from your system. I will show you from the select option how you are going to select from the Google or from the photo, from the Google Drive. Google Drive, you have to upload it before by login your username password. I will check it from the Google image, any college. I'll just select from Google. There are so many images coming. Whatever you want to pick, you can just pick. Double click or select and insert. There are two options. Just double click, insert. See, the image will be. And here, if you want, you can grab, or here, if you want, ungrab. If you want to insert any link, you can do it. Come here for some editing option. You can add the caption for the particular image. What caption? If you want other campus or any other details, if you want, you can give. Select, make it center, make it bold. Anything that you want, you can do it. Okay, so now we have 2-3 text on your home page and images, footer. It's everything is ready. Now I'm going to show you the background option. For example, sectional background. This is one section, this is one section, this is another section. So 3 sections we have now. There are 3 options. One is the delete, one is the duplicate, the other one is background. This is for the sectional background. Select this, you'll be having 4 options. This is the regular, means background is white color. The emphasis 1 means it will be slightly, the color will be changing. You can see the difference. Make the second one, see the color changing option. Make the last one is image. If you want to upload any image also, you can do it. I will show you some example. I want to upload some image. Sorry. Same way, if you want, you can use it from Google. Just some images. Double click or single click, select. See, this is only for the particular section's background. This is not visible, but I'll keep it just for the demo purpose. Okay, now your home page is ready. I will show you how to publish. Before that, I'll show you some other options. See here, insert, page, and theme. These are all the things are main we have to concentrate. First, let me go to the insert option. This, you know, text box, image from the drive. Then if you come, there are some prefixed layouts. If you want, you can select it. This is your home page style. If you want to select 2 images down, there are 2 columns, 3 images like that. Then a collapsible text, table of content, image carousel. There are so many options. We will see one by one. This is the main thing. On the top, there are some options. Undo. If you want to do any undo, you can do it. Redo option are there. This is the preview. Now I'm going to show you the preview options. Already you have your home page. Just click the preview options. So this will be your preview for the website, what you have designed now. Okay, I will close this preview. In this preview also, there is a mobile option, mobile view. See, this is the mobile view. You can use even the mobile. You can use your tablet. This is the system view. So you have option even for the mobile access. Okay, you close, you'll be coming to the page. Okay, until you publish, it will not be there in the internet. It is only in your system or only within your email option. So I'm going to publish, then we will see how it looks. Before you publish, it will be asking the web address. Like you're making www.google.com or www.yourcollegename.org. This is what you're going to make. See, this is your link, the down. Whatever you type here, it will be appear down. For example, I mentioned like university college. So uni college, maybe 2020, just for the purpose. See, whatever I add it here, it will be appearing. So this is my site name. You have to copy this page link. This is your website link. I'll just copy this, just to publish. It is publishing. Once it is published, then only you can see this on the website. This now I'm going to paste the link. See the University College 2020. This is my college name. This is all the default option. http://sites.google.com/view. Just enter. See, this is on the website. This is the website I have created recently for the demo purpose. So you have your logo, you have your site name, you have the title page, you have the content about the college, vision, mission, goal, and if you want, you can put some images down. Then the footer. See, your home page is ready. The website is being ready within 10 minutes. I took little more time because I am explaining. If I'm not doing within 5 minutes, we can design the website. Okay, I'll go to the page. Now you know the page options. Now we are going to see the additional pages. Go to pages, here insert page and themes. Let me show the themes before. What is themes? There are many options. You can see the difference. I select this one. See, your title page is being changed. The yellow color options. For diploma, see the box. Come here, something else. See, some difference will be there. So this is what, here you can change your color. Anything that you want, you can do it. Simple, Aristotle. Okay, the color you can change. The font size, modern, classic, bold, anything that you want, you can do it. I make it classic, see, it is changing, keep on changing. So this is the option for the theme. I'll go to the page now. Now, as of now, I have only the home page, right? I'm going to add the additional pages. Come down, you'll be seeing the plus mark. This is what creating the additional pages. Just click additional page, for example, introduction. Whether by, if you are creating for yourself, you can make it introduction by yourself. Or for the college means you can put a mission, vision, whatever. Here I'll show you some other options. Go to insert. Now you are in the introduction page. Come down. Oh, collapsible text. I will show you these options. What is collapsible text? Click on the collapsible text. Here there is a heading and text options. Go to heading. I will add goal or vision. Take it from the content that you have. I'm going to take the vision. Type. Now I have one option, collapsible text. Add one more. Take mission. For this title, mission. Add anything. Some content you can put. So now I have created two options. I will publish it, then I will show you the difference. We have additional page with introduction options, right? Just publish it. When you publish, it will be showing the options draft and current published. This is what the published one. This is the draft that we have made. Here you'll be seeing the changes what we have made it now. These are all options. Now you publish.
Sundar sir, 1 minute sir.
Yes, ma'am.
This meeting will be 10 minutes only, sir. We're going to end within 10
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. I will. Thank you. So now we have published. Go to the page and refresh. See, now I have the additional page introductions, home page and introduction. Click the introduction. See, this is what the collapsible text. You don't see the text down. You will be seeing only the heading options, vision and mission. If you click the down, you will be seeing in the text. So this is called collapsible text. Now you see the difference. So this is called collapsible text. Now you have 2 pages. Let me go a little fast so that we can cover the additional topics. Go to the page. You have 2. You can create one more option, one more page for anything like about us, or you can add anything. Now you have additional page, one more. Go to this additional, then go to insert. Collapsible, we have changed like image carousel. This is what I have seen the slideshow, the image slideshow. You have to add minimum 2 images. The maximum up to you. You can add n number of photos. I will take some photos. I added 5. Okay, now I added 5 images. If you want, you can add the text caption for this one. Anything, any caption. I will show you only one example. You can add multiple. There is an option on the top wheel option, select. There is an option for the auto start. If you select this, then only the image will be rotating itself. There is a speed options. You can select a slow or medium or fast. I will select a medium, then insert. I have selected 5 photos or 5 images. You can make it center, anything. Now you publish. I publish. Done. Go to the page, website, refresh. Now only 2 pages. Once you got refresh, you'll be having one more page. See, now there is one more 3 pages about us. Click about us. You'll be seeing the whatever the photos that you uploaded. See, it will be automatically rotating. I'm not clicking anything. So this is the other option. Okay, let me go to the other page. I will create one more page. Go here, create one more page like contact. Fine. If you are doing it for your own, here same. You can change any photos from the gallery for the background. I will just click from the gallery. See, the background option is being changed. I'm going to add the map. Come here, insert option, come down. There is a map. Just click on the map. For example, you select Madurai or Chennai, anything. In Chennai, any particular place if you want, domestic airlines or central railway station, anything, or your college place or your home address, just insert. See, I have my contact page with a map. Click one more option, text box. You can just type anything, email, phone, etc., etc. Anything that you want, you can add. That's it. Now you have 4 pages. You just publish and you will see. Okay. I'm coming to the page. I'm going to just refresh. Now I have 4 pages like contact. Go to the contact. See, this is what the contact. The background image being changed. The map has been appeared. On the text box here, you can add all your details. So that's it. Now you have 4 pages with the map and everything. I'm going to show you the last option. Go to the page. You can insert one more page like anything, videos. Okay, this is my 5th page. See this, whatever you want, you can just move around. The last or this go to first, next to home page, anything you can do it. Now we are in the video. Come here. If you want to insert any video, YouTube video or your college video, go to YouTube. You can select any video. something you type. If it is from your college website, you can just add the videos. Okay, see the whatever the YouTube video, it will be up here. If you want to add some slides, you can, but the slides you are supposed to be add into the Google Drive. For example, I have ordered already this into my Google Drive. Just select. Okay, now I have video, now I have presentation. Close down and come down. If you want to add any other documents, you can do it. Any forms, any worksheet, you can. These things you can do it only from the Google Drive. I have some tables. Let me select. Okay, now I have 3 options. I have made it video and everything. I'm going to publish. Just publish. Now I have 5 pages of websites. Go here, just refresh. See 5 pages. 5 pages you have. Go to the video. See the video what I uploaded, you can directly play. Go to the slide. See the slides. It will be rotating automatically. You have to go here and settings, autoplay. For example, this slide, click here, settings, auto start. If you select, it will be automatically start. Just publish. Whatever the changes you do, you have to publish. Then only it will be reflecting on your website. Just to refresh. Now this will be automatically rotating the slide one by one. So now you have this text, I mean the table, whatever. So this is what, now you have all the options that you have learned. Home page, introduction, about, contact, YouTube video. If you want, you can add the calendar. Just I will show you some divider. Just insert divider. It means just a link, it will appear. You just click here, you can add it here. That's it. Divider. The calendar, you can add anything. Just whatever the changes you do, you have to publish. Okay, let me go to the setting option. Now you have all the options, insert, page and theme. Go to settings. There are 3 options: navigation, brand, and customs and analytics. Go to navigation. Navigation is nothing but these options. Home, video, this is the navigation options. Whether you want top or the left. This is what. If you make it side, see your page, everything will be here in the side, not on the top. I recommend this has to be on the top. It is up to you. Make it on the top. Okay. Then the brand image, it is your logo. If you want, you can delete. If you want, you can replace anything that you want, you can do it. Okay. Now the last options I want to show you, that custom URL. The custom URL is, yes ma'am.
Less than 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, I will finish it. That's it, over. The custom URL is means www. Your website. It is, you check with your IT guys, they will guide you. The domain where they purchased, it will be. So that's it. I have finished almost all the options. So you can just try yourself. You don't need any IT skills. Just you have to enable these options. That's it. Thank you so much. Ma'am, I have completed.
Thank you very much.
Any doubts they can ask. Yeah, please.
Thank you all the
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. One question, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go ahead, sir.
The storage. This is the storage capacity of my sons.
There is no limitation, sir. Since it is in Google Drive, I mean Google, it is saving
Sir.
in the cloud. So there is no